Hello, ma'am and sir. By the way, I would like to discuss drawing, and let's start. I saw this drawing. You have a connector plate. A size of this connector plate is 520 length and 300 wide and 20 mm thickness. And you have a 20 mm hole, and you have to attach this I-beam, you have overlap 10 mm. The top and the both, you have 10 mm overlap, and you have overlap to in the side. You have 50 mm overlap, and you have also 9 connector plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 connector plate. Size of this connector plate, he has 141 length and 100 wide with 10 mm thickness, and have distance, difference distance. First is you have 1740 mm distance, and 1000. The second is 1500 mm distance, 1500 mm distance, 1500 mm distance, and 1190 distance, and 1500 same 1500 mm, same 1500 mm, 1500 mm, and the last one is 1146 mm, and this last you have also a connector plate. Size of connector plate is has 200 mm. Is he have overlap to bottom. It's 10 mm overlap, and he have a welding symbol. Yes, is fillet weld 5 mm size, and have a single bevel and flash grind, and the size of this I-beam have size, you have 500 mm length and 200 mm wide, and he has also a connector plate. This you have this connector plate, and a size of this, the size of hole of connector plate, he has 18 mm size, and this total of this length, total of this length, he has 14,601 mm total length, and he have two plates here, two plates here. Size of the hole of the plate is has 18 mm size of hole of this plate, these two plates. And let's discuss a size din this small connector plate in the top of the I-beam. Yes, also 14 mm size of hole is a same size of hole of 9 plate. Then you have plates, and that's all. And let's proceed to why welding drawing is important. Welding drawing is important to welding fabrication and full welder, because they provide clear and detailed instruction for creating steel component, ensuring precision and quality process, and reduce error during cutting, drilling, and welding, and support quality control, and minimize materials waste and rework, leading to quicker construction, timeless and reduce risk of error. And that's all, and thank you very much for the opportunity. I am looking forward to hear you soon because I really want this job. Thank you.